Why do we yawn? Biologically, yawning helps regulate brain temperature. When we're tired or bored, our brain activity slows and heats up. Yawning draws in cool air, which helps cool the brain and keeps us alert. But yawning isn't just a solo act, it's also contagious. Socially, seeing someone yawn can trigger our own yawn, a phenomenon linked to empathy and social bonding in humans and some animals. This contagious effect might have helped early humans coordinate group behavior or signal drowsiness, enhancing group survival.